Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 3, Week 5, Day 4. We're going to begin by, I'm going to say a word and I'd like you to make the sounds. Foot, t, 3 sounds. Book, b, k, 3 sounds. Pulls, p, s, 4 sounds. That one's tricky because you would think it's ol, but it's ol. Crook, k, k, 4 sounds. Stood, st, d, 4 sounds. Put, p, t, 3 sounds. Shook, sh, k, 3 sounds. Okay, so for today, I'm going to give you 3 seconds, and then we'll see how you did. Hopefully you can read it in your head and say it. 3, 2, 1, good. 3, 2, 1, put. 3, 2, 1, full. 3, 2, 1, look. 3, 2, 1, wood. 3, 2, 1, push. 3, 2, 1, cook. 3, 2, 1, hood. 3, 2, 1, crook. 3, 2, 1, foot. 3, 2, 1, book. 3, 2, 1, bake, because of super E. Okay, let's read this. Full. Change the f to p. Pull. Change the ol to sh. Push. Change the sh to t. Put. Change the to a. Pat. Change the p to s. Sat. Change the a to a. Set. Change the s to w. Wet. Change the t to d. Wed. Change the a to wood. Change the w to g. Good. Change the g to h. Hood. Change the d to k. Hook. Change the h to b. Book. Change the b to ol. Look. Okay, nice job with that. Okay, so once again, we're talking about endings. And when we want the sound to stay a short sound, we have to double the consonant. So flip, in order, it has to have 2 P's. Flipped, to be in the past, that's flipped. And then 2 P's, flipping, is happening right now. Okay, so let's look at some of these. So remember, we have to double it when we're doing ed or ing. So this is grabbed. And then we'll write it again over here. Double B, grabbing. Okay. Let's look at drip. We put the double P, ed, because the E cannot jump over 2 consonants. So dripped, and then if it's happening right now, we double the consonant, dripping. Okay, last one for this part, shop. Double the consonant, shopped in the past, or shopping. We double the P and put our ing, shopping. Okay, let's look at our sight words. After. We can play after school. Ready? Buy. What did you buy? Done. When will the food be done? Every kid got a book. Work. This is so much work. Soon. We can go home soon. Okay, here's our story for today. I'll let you read it first, then I'll help. Your turn first. Together. That looks good. Okay, here's some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1, cook. 3, 2, 1, wood. 3, 2, 1, Jean. That's a tricky one. Remember how GE says J? 3, 2, 1, bull. 3, 2, 1, pull. Okay, your turn first. Together. That looks good. Okay, here we go. Your turn first. Ready? Begin. Rose and Chad liked to cook. Every time they cooked, they placed good things in a pot. When it was done, Rose and Chad ate those good things up. Okay, your turn. Ready? Begin. Soon they did not have much. Rose and Chad had to shop. What can we buy? Asked Chad. We can take a look, said Rose. Your turn first. This is Jean. Ready? Begin. Jean is a bull that works in the shop. Rose could see him grab and pull a big lump. Then Jean made it flat. Okay, your turn. Ready? Begin. What is that? Asked Rose. Pizza, said Jean with a big smile. He set the dish on wood. Jean set it in a hot pot. Okay, your turn. Sorry everyone, it does this sometimes. Okay, let me go back to the other one. Okay, let's read it together. After a bit of time, Jean took the dish out. Yum, that smells so good, said Rose and Chad with big smiles. Okay, so today we're going to find the verb and the word not for each contraction. So this first one says, the boy isn't in the race. So is would be my verb and he is not. Isn't is my contraction. And in. So Pete and Jen aren't jumping rope. Okay, do you know what the verb is? If you said jumping, you're right. And are not jumping is my contraction. So there's not, are not, aren't. Okay, let's look at another one. People can't walk on the wet bridge. So think of what they're doing, the verb. It would be walk. And where's my contraction? It would be can't. So cannot is what that means. Can't. Last one. They don't want to play the game. So think of the verb. What are we talking about? Play. They don't want to play. And where's my contraction? Don't, right? That means do not. Okay, so this has a bunch of problems. We're looking, it only has really one problem. I'm going to give you 3 seconds. I'll read it. The map doesn't have our state on it. Do you see a problem with some of this? I'll give you 3 seconds. If you said doesn't, you would be right. There's no apostrophe. It has to look like this. Does to have that, the O becomes an apostrophe. Okay, 2 more. I don't like prunes. Do you see what's wrong? If you said don't, you were right, because it has to have an apostrophe, don't. Otherwise that's don't. That's actually I don't. Last one. That isn't my notebook. Do you see what's wrong with it? I'll give you 3 seconds. If you said isn't, you're correct. We have to put the O as an apostrophe. So we have doesn't. The map doesn't have our state on it. I don't like prunes, not don't. That isn't my notebook. So we were looking at contractions with not. And remember, it's not becomes an apostrophe T. Okay, everyone, I'll talk to you later. Bye.